Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Boston Whaler dealer here. Today you're looking at a beautiful 2021 Boston Whaler 28 Vantage trade-in. And a beautiful Abaco blue painted hull. Such an awesome boat. Tons of equipment on this one. Pair of 250 V8 Mercury Verados with the joystick system. It's got the electric shade. It's got the Abaco blue under the hardtop. Standard live well. Standard dive door. Just a great family boat, does a little bit of everything. This portside lounger allows you to have a couple seats, or it turns into a full-side lounger when you're fishing. This pull-out bench seat in the stern here folds away for more room. You have another little companion seat here on the starboard side with a refrigerator and wet sink. Oh, beefy the hardtop is. I mean, the supports are just amazing. The boat performs like a center console. Here's your joystick system with Skyhook and autopilot built in. Nice Marine electronics package, fusion stereo system, Mercury vessel view, VHF radio, trim tabs. And for the ladies and the kids, you have a gorgeous vacuum flush head. Same yacht or toilet we would put on a yacht with a macerator. You get a nice wet sink in here, a changing area. And then you have full bow rider capabilities here. Armrests and great place to ride. Concealed windlass up here. And there's also a beach boarding ladder. Freshwater wash down here and the stern. Give you a quick little view here. Walking back, it's just such a big 28, and again, it performs like a center console. So again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach. We are your local Boston Whaler dealer here in South Florida. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. And don't miss out on this gorgeous 2021 Boston Whaler 28 Vantage trade-in here. Give us a call today. Thank you.